Welcome to this tutorial on Lambda Environment Variables, part of our AWS Serverless series. In this video, you'll learn how to configure and manage environment variables in AWS Lambda functions, understand their role in passing configuration data, and discover best practices for secure and efficient configuration management. Environment variables are key-value pairs that allow you to pass configuration data to your Lambda functions at runtime without hard-coding values directly in your code. They serve three primary purposes. First, they provide a secure way to store sensitive information like API keys and database credentials. Second, they enable you to separate configuration from code across different environments such as development, staging, and production. Third, they allow you to update settings without needing to redeploy your function code, making your applications more flexible and maintainable. There are four main methods to set environment variables for your Lambda functions. The AWS Console method lets you configure variables directly through the Lambda function settings by navigating to Configuration, then Environment Variables, and clicking Edit. The AWS CLI provides a command line approach using the Update Function Configuration command. Infrastructure as code tools like SAM and CloudFormation allow you to define variables in your templates using the environment and variables properties. Finally, the Serverless Framework lets you specify environment variables in your serverless.yaml configuration file, with support for referencing external values. Accessing environment variables in your Lambda function code is straightforward across different programming languages. In Python, you import the os module and use os.environ with square brackets for the variable name, or os.environ.get with an optional default value. In Node.js, you access variables through the process.env object, using the variable name as a property. For Java, you use the system.getEnv method, passing the environment variable name as a string parameter. All three approaches provide simple, consistent ways to retrieve configuration values at runtime. Oz automatically sets several reserved environment variables for every Lambda function execution. Oz_region contains the AWS region where your function is running. Oz_lambda_function_name provides the name of your Lambda function. Oz_lambda_function_version indicates the version of the function being executed. Oz_lambda_log_group_name and Oz_lambda_log_stream_name contain the CloudWatch logs group and stream names respectively. Finally, lambda_task_root provides the file system path to your Lambda function code directory. These variables are available automatically and don't need to be configured. Lambda provides multiple layers of security for environment variables. By default, all environment variables are automatically encrypted at rest using AWS-managed KMS keys, requiring no additional configuration. For enhanced security requirements, you can use customer-managed KMS keys to encrypt sensitive values before storage and decrypt them at runtime, giving you full control over the encryption process. However, it's important to note that for highly sensitive data like passwords and API keys, the best practice is to store them in AWS Secrets Manager or Systems Manager Parameter Store instead of environment variables, as these services provide additional security features like automatic rotation and fine-grained access control. When working with Lambda environment variables, you need to be aware of several important limitations. The total size limit for all environment variables combined is 4 kilobytes, so you need to keep your configuration data concise. Environment variable keys must contain only letters, numbers, and underscores. No special characters are allowed. You cannot use variable names that start with Oz_, as this prefix is reserved by Oz for system variables. Finally, remember that environment variables are visible in the AWS console to any user who has access to view the function configuration, so they should not be considered completely private. To effectively manage Lambda environment variables, follow these best practices. First, Use AWS Secrets Manager or Systems Manager Parameter Store for highly sensitive credentials rather than environment variables. Second, adopt a consistent naming convention using descriptive, uppercase names with underscores to improve code readability. Third, maintain separate configuration for each environment by using different variable values for development, staging, and production. Fourth, always document your environment variables in a README file or within your infrastructure code to help team members understand what each variable does. Finally, when accessing environment variables in your code, always validate the values and provide sensible default values to handle cases where a variable might not be set, making your functions more robust and error-resistant.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.